As an international organization, we operate in the ever-evolving, solution-driven technology world, and we ask ourselves, what's next in software testing? Organizations are facing multiple challenges in setting up with future-geared testing capability, striving for excellence in operating, upskilling, and emerging technologies. The nature of all quality capability reflects that shifting from a single, central testing service to a hybrid and lean software quality engineer service model will gear your organization for an intelligence-led test future. We're combining technical brilliance, critical formulated insights on the future of managing a software quality service, taking managed services from generic to specialization, with focus on scalability, efficiency, versatility, and innovation. Come and join us as we break down the barriers for managed testing services, presented by Mihai Gregorescu from Inspired Testing at the 2021 Eurostar Conference in September.